ZS stock analysis and ZS stock predictions. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I am the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos made, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And to say, like, to be very upfront, this Zscaler is just very decent and nice bullish market. Like, to say the least, I cut it out to the dot with a +5R. This was made, I think, like maybe a year ago, 8 months ago. Yeah, when I cut out the prediction, it was sitting at 162 at the time. And then finally today we reached the highs. This is beautiful. So the way that my analysis is going to look like is very, very simple. This is the 30-minute chart, right? So this is my demand zone, right? This video is like there. It's not even for 2nd of June, man. Like, this is where we are currently. And only if I do see the price pulling down and giving me some sort of a confirmation, only then I'm going to look to double down and buy. But like randomly buying, it's not going to be what I'm going to be doing, right? So I'm praying for corrections. And if you do want to learn how I make you 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free email.